Boy, do I have a treat for you today. Recently, I came across an awesome new way to make money online using a source that knows more about the written word than you, probably. And guess what? I am going to share it with you so you can start earning big time. The side hustle I am talking about requires zero special skills and zero investment. And it's so easy that you can start doing it yourself as soon as you finish watching this video. This makes it absolutely perfect for anyone looking to make extra cash online, whether you are new to online hustling or a veteran in the field. Plus, there is a lot of potential here to make big bucks. But before you start printing cash, you will have to follow each step of this money-making method that I'm about to show you to the letter. Stick around till the end so you don't miss out on anything important. The first tool you are going to need is ChatGPT. But for now, let's just ask the AI to give us the top 10 books in a genre. It can be any genre you want. There are no wrong choices here as long as there is an audience for the genre you pick. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go with entrepreneurship books. After all, money making is what this channel is all about. So let's type in, give me a list of the top 10 entrepreneurship books as a prompt. And there we have our list. Now, I will copy the title of the first book on this list and head over to Audible. For those of you who don't know, Audible is a company owned by Amazon that sells books in audio format called audiobooks. It's a fun way for people to listen to a book while doing something else. As you can guess, Audible is wildly popular, and I'm going to show you how you can use this platform to your advantage and make money. So, what I am going to do next is paste the book title I copied from GPT here in the search bar on Audible. This will show me if Audible has the audiobook for this one available or not. It looks like we got a hit. The audiobook for this title is right here. Now, if you find an audiobook, as I have, then it is all well and good. But if you don't, you will have to change genres or find another replacement. You have to do this test for each book on the ChatGPT list. Just copy, paste, and copy-paste. Easy, right? Ideally, you want each one of the 10 book titles to have a corresponding audiobook in Audible's library. This will give you the most benefit when monetizing later on. Okay, now that that's all done, I will head back to ChatGPT. This time, I will ask the AI to write a summary of the book for me. We don't need a long-winded article. Just a 2,000-word summary will do. So let's type in, generate me a 2,000-word summary for The Lord of the Rings. The AI will generate it in seconds. While it is doing that, please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you find my content helpful. Look at that. The summary is done. I'll copy it over to Google Docs so I can edit it how I want. For the next step, I am going to use a tool called Quillbot.com. This tool will reword the summary for me so it cannot be identified as the work of an AI. This is a really important step as it helps make the summary more unique. The free version of Quillbot only lets you reword 125 words in one go. So I am going to reword the summary section by section so I don't have to pay any money. Copy the first section and paste it here in the tool. Now, hit the paraphrase button and the bot will start rewording. Once it is finished, copy the result and paste it all back into the original summary. Do this with the rest of the sections of the summary as well until it is entirely rewritten. Now, the summary can be monetized. But before we do that, we need a few high-quality pictures for our book summary. Just a few to grab the attention of the readers and make them more engaged. And for this, I have the perfect tool called Kittl.com. What you want to do is sign up for Kittl and head over to the dashboard. Here, on the top right, you can see a button called New Project. Click on that, and a canvas like this will open for you to make an image in. Don't worry, I'm not going to have you do complicated editing work. We have AI for that too. You see, Kittl has a built-in AI tool that can generate any kind of image you want based on your prompt. To access this feature, click on these little stars titled Image Generator right here in the toolbar. In this new window, you will need to describe the kind of image you want. Since the book I chose is about entrepreneurship, I think an image of a person working on a laptop will suit the summary best. A person sitting working on a laptop will do as a prompt. If you are unsure what type of image you should generate for your book summary, just read the first paragraph of the summary. That will give you an idea of what the book is about. And there, The image is done. I am going to stretch it so it fits the whole canvas and then download it using this button on the top right. Be sure to select JPG or PNG as the format when downloading. Get around 4 or 5 images for one summary for the best results. Next, go to medium.com and sign up for an account. This will be where we publish the book summary. Head over to the dashboard on medium.com and click the Write button right here. This window will open and you can copy and paste the entire summary here. Be sure to add an engaging title as well. Finally, add the images you generated on Kittl. To do that, click the plus button right here and then click the Add Image option. Read through the whole summary to make sure everything is right and the images are in the correct place. Finally, we get to the money-making part. Go back to Audible and scroll all the way down, click the affiliate program, and on this new page, you can become an affiliate. Once you have become an affiliate, look up the title of the book once again in Audible and copy your unique affiliate link for the audiobook. This link is what will make us the money. Go to your article on Medium and find a suitable spot where you can insert this link. I am going to use the first time the heading of the book appears in the summary. And that's right here. Select the text and insert the affiliate link as a hyperlink. I will also make the hyperlinked text bold so it stands out. With all that done, publish the summary to medium.com and put in 5 relevant keywords in the next window. Do the same for all the 10 books you got from ChatGPT. Then wait for the cash to roll in. What will happen is that visitors will read the summary and then some of them will click your affiliate link. They will then be redirected to the audiobook page on audible.com and hopefully buy the book or sign up for the free trial. Either way, you make money. How much will you make? Well, if someone signs up for the free trial of audiobooks, you will get $5 for it as a commission. If they later upgrade to the gold membership, you will get an additional $10. So, for each person who signs up for these memberships through your link, you will get $15. Plus, for any book they purchase, you get 50 cents. That money adds up, and you get paid handsomely for very little effort on your part. Now, the more work you put into this side hustle, the more money you will make. If you want to be successful in this hustle, you need to be publishing at least 1 book summary every day. If you can manage that, you will earn your first $1,000 online in no time at all. Well, that's it for this new online money-making method. Isn't it so easy that literally anyone can do it? Just be sure to follow all the steps I have shared in this video, and you will have the best chance of success. Please do like and subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment as well telling me what your favorite audiobook is. Until next time, goodbye.